Government working for Sabka Saath, Sabka Vikas. PM Modi in Rajya Sabha. Prime Minister said the Congress priority was family first, and its policies had been focused around it. The union government under the BJP is working on the principle of Sabka Saath, Sabka Vikas, Prime Minister Narendra Modi said on Thursday, February 6, 2025, as he accused the Congress of practicing appeasement politics to get votes. Also read, Parliament Budget Session Day 5 highlights. Replying to the debate on the motion of thanks to the President's address in the upper house, the Prime Minister said the Congress priority was family first, and its policies had been focused around it. Nation first is the BJP's priority, he said. I say it with a lot of pride. For 5 to 6 decades, there was no alternative model for the people. After a long time, after 2014, the country got to witness a new model, which is not based on appeasement but Santushtikaran, satisfaction of all, PM Modi said. The earlier model, especially under the Congress, there was appeasement in everything. This became the crux of its politics. It would give something to small groups and deprive others. At the time of elections, it would give false hope. It ran its politics by fooling people, he said. PM Modi said the BJP-led government was focused on optimum utilization of resources. We adopted the approach of saturation. The schemes should be delivered 100%, no one should be deprived and pushed towards hopelessness. In the past decade, at every level, we have tried to implement Sabka Saath, Sabka Vikas. We can now see the impact, he said. PM Modi also claimed attempts were being made to spread casteism. Attempts are being made to spread the poison of casteism. For 3 decades, OBC MPs of both houses from all parties kept demanding a commission for OBCs, but it was rejected because, perhaps, it did not suit its politics at that time. We gave constitutional status to this OBC commission, PM Modi said. Whenever the issue of reservation came up, it was done to create a rift in the country, he said. For the first time, we gave a model. We gave 10% reservation to economically backward groups without snatching from anyone. SC, ST, OBC communities welcomed it. No one had a problem, PM Modi added.